I've input the coordinates for the first cache of the day. I'm going to try to get to 2 caches today. It's not the most exciting cache I've ever seen listed on geocaching, but the significance is that I am currently at 99 caches on my count, so you're along for the ride for my 100th cache for the Puzzle Detective. And we'll check back in with you once we reach our driving destination. Well, we have arrived at the destination, and of course with any geocache, you can only get so far or so close with your vehicle, and then the rest of it's done on foot. And so that's what we're going to do now. I need to change over my Garmin, which I use for my GPS purposes, to walking mode. So bear with me for just a moment. And we are very close to our destination, so looks like we may be going down this embankment here. Yeah, quite a bit. Let's go down over here because it looks like there's a walkway. Watch your step. There's lots of little tree stump things sticking up in there. So we are very close to our destination, probably within about 50 feet or so, but we're going to continue walking down here now. The printout on my geocaching listing, the only clue left, be careful, it's super slick, is Bullwinkle's friend. And for anyone who has any knowledge of cartoons knows that Bullwinkle is a famous cartoon moose from the 1960s. Find something that looks Well, we are relatively at ground zero, and at this point it's a matter of searching around the area of where we are, ground zero being the general location, and then it's just a matter of trying to think of a good hiding spot where a cache could be stashed. Look toward the trees, or if there may be a rock on the ground somewhere, I suppose. Needed to go back and forth here and through it. I do see a rock. Follow me. This might be it. do I have locators. So come on, follow me. I don't know if you can squat down here, and we'll look right through here. There's a rock laying on the ground, actually a couple of rocks, and I can see that laying in the rocks there, there's looks like an ammo box, which is what we're looking for. Let's make our way through the brush here. Here it is. Official geocache ammo box. I can shut off our GPS. Let's take a look and see what's inside. There is the assortment of goodies. We'll check that out in a moment. We've got our cache. Oh, look at that. There's some kind of a empty cigar tube. First thing we're going to do is sign our name to the log. The log is quite full. So I'm going to just find a spot on here to whoever owns this particular cache probably needs to come out and put a new log in here. I'm going to put today's date, if I can get the pen to work. I have my own pen. Today is 4/21/21, and we're going to put down Puzzle Detective. Yes, that in fact also is my geocaching name. We have signed the log, and we're going to put the log back in. We're going to just check out some of the goodies within the goodie bag here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, look at that. I'm not sure. That's not Pokemon. What can you identify that? Yu-Gi-Oh! All right. We got a Yu-Gi-Oh! Card. We got some big wooden lips. We got a pink pony. That looks like. Not sure what that is.
One character from Ice Age, I believe.
All right. Very good. Well, I'm not taking anything from the stash, but we are going to leave. We are going to leave a Puzzle Detective pencil and eraser for whoever might find the geocache next. And let's put it back pretty much the way we thought, just like that. And with that, we are going to move back out of the woods, and we'll meet you back on the road heading for our next geocache. One of the very nice things about living in Virginia is, well, this is true for a lot of the country, but in particular in Virginia here we've got the Appalachian Mountains, and it's scenic, it's beautiful around these parts. You don't have to go far to find hiking trails, to find some natural landmarks that are terrific to go explore. I'm very fortunate to live within 5 minutes of the Appalachian Trail and the Blue Ridge Parkway, and there's always plenty to see, and it makes for excellent, really excellent geocaching. Almost any place you go turns out to be a small adventure. know what you're going to see when you're out geocaching on a trail. There's an old-timey outhouse. It even has the crescent moon cut in the door. We've come up on the Big Oak Trail. Although the arrow is pointing left, according to my Garmin, the geocache is to the right, so we'll head up this way. The thing with geocaches, sometimes they're pretty easy. Sometimes you have to work for it a little bit. Now the clue on this one said something about a log flume, which is an old logging contraption that loggers used to use to get logs down the hill when they were clearing forest. But we are very close. We've got lots of fallen trees around here. I don't know if that's some sort of an indication, but we're going to step around these tree trunks here and see if we can't locate this cache. Watch your step. It seems like I'm going around in circles because I am. You can hang there for a second. Try to get a reading on this. Again, once you get within a certain area, it can be a little needle in a haystack. Now this is a regular sized cache, so it's not like we're looking for something really small, but also sometimes the GPS reading can be a little tricky, a little cloudy. But we are in the, I think I got it. The right general area. Here it is. All right, it wasn't that bad. Once we got to it here, it's very, very easy to see it. Once again, it looks like we've got looks like a plastic ammo box this time. Let's see what we got. No, it's metal. Let's see what we have this time. Haha. More loot. Riding supplies. Please leave. Alright, so let's get signed in on this particular log here. This one was last found. Let's see here. Look for the most recent date. It was found within a couple of months ago. I don't see any 2021 dates, but I see December of 20. But I'm not quite sure where they started signing this. There's a date going all the way back to June 15th of 2006. So this log has been here a long time. Lots of messages here, and it looks perhaps like they filled up the log and then started working from the back to the front. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to make our entry here for 2121. Puzzle detective. Take a quick look and see what sort of goodies they have here. Get a quick inventory. We got lots of writing utensils in that bag there with the log. We'll make sure we zip that up also. We've got like a Ninja Warrior headband. Some kind of a little pencil bag. Smiley face maze. Wow, that scared the hell out of me. A bug that I thought was real for just a second. And other assorted items. Once again, including a styrofoam space shuttle puzzle and peppermint patty on a sled. All right, so we're going to add our puzzle detective pencil and eraser to the loot bag. And of course, if you want a puzzle detective pencil and eraser of your very own, go to my Patreon page, and one of the perks for becoming a Patreon is that you will get your very own pencil and eraser. I know the excitement's probably just too much to bear, but it's a little something for folks that want to support my channel. Let's close this up and put this back underneath here, more or less where we found it. Right, nose is dripping a bit. My garment's in here. Yes, it is. Okay, that's why I felt like I was forgetting something. I believe the trail's back this way.